There are several different permissions related to calendars that you should be aware of. Let's go to the System Settings menu, then click Security Groups, and view the permissions for the administrators group. The first two permissions we will look at are Can Sync with Google Calendars and Can Sync with Facebook Events. By default, both of these are set to Denied. If we grant these permissions, and then log out and log back in for the permissions to take effect, then you will see two new options in the calendar menu: Google Calendar Settings and Facebook Event Settings. Let's go back to the Security Group settings. If we look at the permissions for administrators, you can see the other calendar-related permission that's called Can Manage Calendar Templates. And this is set to Granted. Any user that belongs to a security group that has this permission granted will be able to edit any of the calendars in their system, including the element types, global statuses, locations, and all of the edit options. If a user belongs to a security group that has that permission denied, then they will not be able to edit the calendar. For example, let's look at the permissions for the ShopText group. We'll find Can Manage Calendar Templates and set it to Denied. Now let's log out and log in as a user that belongs to the ShopText group. If we switch to any of the system-wide calendars, then you can see that the element types, global statuses, and locations are grayed out, and that user will not be able to edit any of those features. You also notice that the Edit button is grayed out, and the user will not be able to click into it. The user will still be able to edit their My Calendar, though. If you have any questions about the calendar permissions, please email support@flexrentalsolutions.com.